Namaste. This is Priyaranjan Pandey from EVCD TAV Public School, Maharajganj. Okay, with the help of this video, we are going to learn how to use virtual labs. Virtual labs. And MHRD Government of India initiative. No? So let's learn how is it work. No? So first of all, open any browser and type vlab.co.in. Okay, then a page will be appear, and here you can see objectives, philosophy and features of these labs are given. No? Now what to do? Scroll down and then you will find so many areas of virtual labs: electronics and communication, computer science and engineering, physical science, chemical science. No? So many areas are given. Now select one area according to your need. I am here selecting electronics and communication. Okay, electronics and communication. One page is opened here. You can see so many labs are there. No? Here I am going to select basic electronics lab. Okay, and in basic electronics lab you can see introduction, list of experiment. No? So click on list of experiment, and then you will find so many experiments are there. No? Select one experiment as per your need. No? So here I am going to select Ohm's law. Okay, Ohm's law. You can see fourth number, Ohm's law. Okay, Ohm's law. Here theory of Ohm's law, then procedure, then simulation, quiz, assignment. You can see at the top procedure. This is the procedure, how to do. No? And then simulation. Here you can perform your lab, you can perform your activities. Okay, Ohm's law. Okay, I'm going to, and here you can see a setup is there. First in between the two tables. Here in this setup, a battery, ammeter, voltmeter and a resistance are set up, and right of the setup there is a control table, and then there is experimental table in the left of the setup. So first of all we have to adjust resistance. Okay, here I am going to adjust resistance till 20 kilo ohm. Okay, I have kept here resistance is 20 kilo ohm. Then I am going to adjust potential difference. Okay, here 6 volt I have kept 6 volt, and then click on add to table. Then we will get the result in the table. Okay, then again adjust potential difference. Okay, adjust potential difference again, then potential difference to 12 volt. Again click on add to table. We will get the result in the table. Again I am going to adjust potential difference. Potential difference is 18, current is 0.9 milliampere. Again 24, current is 1.20. So here in this table you can find an increasing of potential difference, there is increasing of current. Means to say current is increasing on increasing of potential difference. When resistance is not changed, resistance is constant. You can see here 20 kilo ohm I have kept. No? Then we can do another experiment. Okay, here I am going to select here Ohm's law of resistance in series. Ohm's law for resistance in series. Okay, here a page is opened. Again one setup is there. Right side of the setup there is control table, and left of the table there is experiment table. Okay, so here I am going to adjust resistance first. Resistance 1 and resistance 2 are given here. Adjust resistance 1, I am going to adjust till 20 kilo ohm. Okay, then resistance 2 I am going to adjust 10 kilo ohm. Okay, then click on add to table. Oh sorry, here we have to also adjust potential difference. No, potential difference is 24 volt. Then click on add to table. We will get the result here. Potential difference is 24 volt, then current is 0.8 milliampere. No, and the resultant resistance is 30 kilo ohm when they are connected in series. You can see R1 20, R2 10, and if they are connected in series, then the result is 30 kilo ohm. No? So by this way we can perform our activities. Okay, so thanks for watching.